Soldering mistake number 3 is not cleaning the surfaces being soldered. Cleaning the surface of the copper pipe and copper or brass fitting is necessary in order to remove all oxidation. The surface needs to be cleaned until it has a bright finish. This will then allow the solder to properly bond the surfaces together. One way to clean copper pipe is to use plumber's abrasive sandcloth. Be sure to use a piece that's long enough to wrap around the entire circumference of the pipe. While firmly holding the pipe with one hand, apply pressure on the sandcloth with the other hand and rotate the sandcloth back and forth around the end of the pipe. This has now been cleaned. Another way to clean copper pipe is to use a copper pipe cleaning brush. While firmly holding the pipe with one hand, push the copper pipe cleaning brush down over the end of the pipe with the other hand until it stops, and then turn the cleaning brush clockwise or counterclockwise. This has now been cleaned. To clean the inside of the copper or brass fitting, you can use plumber's abrasive sandcloth or a copper brass fitting cleaning brush. The fitting has now been cleaned. One huge caveat is do not clean the surface until it's ready to be soldered. Once the surface is cleaned, do not touch it with your hands or fingers, which contain natural acids. Also, do not allow the clean surface to touch anything dirty. Next, fully seat the pipe into the fitting to check for fit and to make sure the clean surface on the pipe extends past the end of the fitting. If it does not, remove the pipe and clean the pipe further down. This pipe and fitting are good. Once the pipe and fitting have been checked and are good, take them apart and wipe them down with a dry clean cloth or dry clean paper towel. The surfaces must remain clean, otherwise it may prevent the flux from flowing properly and prevent the solder from properly bonding the surfaces together. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wait.